Hi, my name is Neff, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send apps via Bluetooth. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Bluetooth and make sure scanning is on. Because if scanning is not on, it won't scan for the available devices. And just wait for scanning to be done so you can see the available devices. It says right here, no available devices found, but on here it says available. Don't worry about it. I'll show you why. Because a menu popped up on this screen. Make sure this code right here, the 182982, is the same on both devices. Because if it's not the same, it will not pair those devices together. So you want to click OK. And from there, on the device you want to send the app to, you want to go to security and make sure unknown sources is checked. You only have to check this on one device. So you want to click OK. And this might be harmful for your device, so just click OK. And now what you want to do is head over to the Google Play Store and search for this app called My App Share, and you only need it on one device. So now you want to install it, but for me it says open. And once you've installed it, you want to open it and find an app that you want to install. But click right here, click APK, don't click link, because link will send you a link to the Google Play Store, and you do not want that. You want APK. So the app I'm gonna send is Etchpad, and you see right here a bunch of places where you can send the app to: Bluetooth, Bluetooth zip, email, or export to SD. The one I'm gonna click is Bluetooth. And you should see the available device you want to send it to, which is the paired one. Click it, and on this device you should see a menu that popped up that says file transfer, and it says file name Etchpad APK. Accept, and you should see that says receiving, and on here it says sending. This might take a while. The sending might take a while for it to send. So now it says file received. And here it says Bluetooth share sent. And you want to click on the one that says received. And click on it. And install it. And open it. And I'm going to give you a preview that the app got installed. You see right there, the app got installed and it works. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.